forever destroyed.
A grieving mother, a murdered teen, and a suspect on the lam.
I would rather die, but hopefully before I do, I get to see Jesse James Hollywood caught.
The case of Jesse James Hollywood, a San Fernando Valley man who fled the country after he was accused of murder, had all the makings of a Hollywood movie. And now it is one.
Really? What's it like? Tell me what it's like!
But the movie Alpha Dog has become the subject of a legal battle itself, even before it hits theaters. The reason? The prosecutor in Hollywood's death penalty case was an unpaid consultant on the film. Santa Barbara County Assistant DA Ron Zonin turned over his whole case file to director Nick Cassavetes to help get the film made.
When you give out police reports, rap sheets, names and addresses of witnesses, psych and probation reports, those are misdemeanors. There are violations of law.
Hollywood's attorney James Blatt has petitioned the California Supreme Court to get Zonin kicked off the case, arguing that by collaborating on the film, Zonin jeopardized Hollywood's right to a fair trial.
It's not appropriate to make a motion picture where you present your concept of what the character is to the jury pool before we do the jury trial.
Zonin insists he did nothing wrong. In a court declaration, he said he decided to help on the film, hoping it would lead to the capture of Jesse James Hollywood, who was still a fugitive when Alpha Dog started filming. Hollywood was later apprehended in Brazil.
You can't just take a kid and have no one notice.
That's what I told you. Didn't I say that?
Blatt says if his petition to remove Zonin fails, he still has another card up his sleeve. He could try to keep Alpha Dog out of theaters.
We are seriously considering legal action to try to enjoin the distribution of the film.
Director Cassavetes doubts that effort would succeed.
I don't think that the movie gets in the way of Mr. Hollywood getting a fair trial.
No date has been set for Hollywood's murder trial. Alpha Dog is due for release sometime later this year. Brooke Anderson, CNN, Hollywood.